The best project plans fail in weak cultures, while average plans succeed in empowered ones.
In project management, culture is not optional. It is the invisible force that determines success or failure.
So what is an empowered project culture, and why does it matter so much?
An empowered culture is where people have clarity, trust, and authority to contribute fully.
It starts with leadership. Leaders at Anglo Indian set the tone by modeling professional excellence and strategic alignment.
Trust is the bedrock. When team members feel safe to take risks and speak up, accountability becomes a shared value.
In an empowered culture, the focus shifts from just finishing tasks to a robust value delivery system.
We adopt holistic thinking, integrating ESG principles to ensure our projects have a positive, sustainable impact.
Quality isn't an afterthought. We implement a shift-left strategy, embedding excellence from the very start.
True empowerment means giving teams the tools and the autonomy they need to solve complex problems.
From initiation to closing, every phase of the project lifecycle is enhanced by a culture of transparency.
Transparency reduces friction. It ensures everyone is aligned with the project's purpose and scope.
We leverage value engineering to maximize results while optimizing resources, driving efficiency across the board.
Integrating agile methodologies and AI tools further empowers our teams to adapt and thrive in a fast-paced environment.
For our developers, using modern frameworks like Jetpack Compose within an empowered culture leads to innovation.
We create synergy between product, portfolio, program, and project management for a unified strategic vision.
Even in complex sectors like logistics and VTS tracking, culture remains the primary driver of operational success.
Strong governance provides the guardrails within which empowerment can truly flourish without losing focus.
In the unique context of the Indian market, culture-driven project management is our competitive advantage.
It's about continuous improvement, learning from every project to refine our culture and our results.
We focus on the performance domains that matter, ensuring our culture supports every aspect of delivery.
Our guiding principles are not just words on a wall. They are the actions we take every single day.
When culture is empowered, engagement skyrockets. People aren't just working, they're contributing to something bigger.
From a well-structured WBS to efficient EEFs and OPAs, culture makes these tools come alive.
The result? Projects that don't just finish on time, but deliver real, lasting value to the organization.
Start building your empowered culture today. Visit androindian.com to learn more about our strategic approach.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more project management insights. Hit the notification bell to stay updated and share this with your team to start a conversation about your project culture. At Anglo Indian, we're dedicated to your professional excellence and strategic project success. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.